The feds in the province have renewed a deal when it comes to childcare in this province, but some are saying it doesn't go far enough. The federal government will be pitching in $290 million over the next 4 years, while the province will add another $280 million.
I think any step forward in having dollars go into the childcare and early learning field is always an important step forward.
In a press release, the government say that the money will be used to provide subsidies and give working parents a hand up when it comes to childcare. The NDP's Rachel Notley has already responded on Twitter saying this doesn't go far enough. The NDP is urging the province to immediately sign a bilateral agreement with the federal government, in addition to matching federal government spending for childcare support. Those in the childcare community say the status quo isn't working for families.
One of the biggest challenges families are faced with is the cost of childcare. Often I see the middle class being left out of any relief. The current subsidy model still excludes many families, especially those with more than one child. As they are unable to qualify for any assistance, their cost for childcare exceeds their mortgage payments. This leaves little room for additional expenses and puts additional stress on the family.
The federal government has committed $27 billion over the next 5 years to make sure Canadian families have access to $10 a day childcare. We don't have the numbers yet on what the costs will be per family with the renewed deal, but childcare advocates agree there needs to be more support.
The ceiling wage for a two-income family with one child ends at around $74,000 or $75,000 as a combined income. If you have, one child that's going into an infant program, let's say, and you're expected to come up with $1,500 a month, plus your mortgage or rent payments, plus your utility payments, I ask what's left for food and other essentials.
In Calgary, Cara Campbell, City News.